myself, Bharat Prajapati. I am from Gujarat. We are making extrusion blow film plant for specially bio, and we are exhibit in special live demo for biodegradable extrusion blow film plant. We are specialized for this bio. Specification is this machine is 35-45 mm groove feed screw barrel or ABA type 3 layer, and its roll size is 1000 mm. We are supplying in Hyderabad that type of machine. So many means 50 above, because the eco-friendly product, biodegradable is, and we are putting efforts for next generation. It is our duty.
We are very happy to see the response of the customers which are coming and the visitors which are visiting here. It's very good. As expected, it was more than that. Our machine is displayed very good here. The playlist is very well, the temperature, the weather is very well here. That's the main reason we are loving this exhibition. Myself Vishal Gupta, and I am from Siddham Extrusion Private Limited. Our company mainly make blown film plant, which is used for making carry bags and other things. We are specialized in making biodegradable material. The plastic, we are trying to replace it and making it a biodegradable material, which is 100% compostable. The product which is used will not affect our environment and will be very beneficial for our future generation.